So I came across something a couple of days ago, and it is like, it's bothering me because some people need to be banned. Yeah, some people need to be banned from Louis Vuitton and other luxury brands because it's like the audacity. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rakita. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits, and let's be friends. In order to be friends, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button and we're friends. Listen, I'm tired, okay? I stayed up late walking to Kendrick at the Super Bowl last night. Walking. I don't know if saying the word gonna get me flagged. You know, YouTube got some rules and regulations and stuff. But I'm tired. Because I was up watching Kendrick. Okay, now I know it was a football game going on, but I don't care about that. Besides, Jalen won. Okay, it was Jalen, his fiance, and Kendrick for me. Okay, in no particular order. No, I'm lying. Kendrick was first. Okay, anyway, what else? What are we talking about? I'm tired. I need to go to Starbucks. What we talking about? Okay, yes. Because I'm gonna try to find it. Because it kept popping in my mind. So I was on a forum. I forgot which one, child. I forgot which one. Which I don't know how. Because I'm not a part of a lot of them. Especially on Facebook. Because Facebook, listen, I know y'all like, my friends who follow me on Facebook and in my Facebook group, I know you like, where is this bitch? I'm in hiding. Okay? Facebook is a cesspool. Okay? And the way my patience is set up, oh, child, pray for me. Look, pray for me. But I was on Facebook, and I saw somebody put a post talking about what they say. They said something to the effect of, this was their post. It was, I can't believe Louis Vuitton charged me $600 to fix my handles. Fix being the optimum word. I said, okay, before I go judging, okay, because what they say nowadays, they say we listen, we don't judge, okay? So I was like, I'm a participate, and we listen and we don't judge. I'm gonna try my best to participate. So I was like, let me go in the comments and get some more information. Do a little research, you know, because people quick to comment, quick to have an opinion, but they don't do no research, right? And I'm like, no, I ain't gonna be like that. I ain't gonna be like that. Okay, I'm gonna do some research. I'm gonna be inquisitive. So I open the comments, right? And I'm gonna tell you what I'm looking for, which would have made the post fine with me, okay? I was looking for, the handles were defective, right? The glazing was jacked up, right? Something like that. Something to say it was Louis Vuitton's fault while your handles was fugazi, okay? I didn't find that. I didn't. Apparently they just broke from wear and tear. Apparently they broke because Miss Ma'am was throwing her bag every which way. Apparently she was using her bag for 40 years and 40 nights. What? I don't know. And the handle said, listen, bish, I need a break. Get somebody else to do it. Okay? So, that already annoyed me when I found out that the handles was broken because of normal wear and tear. Okay? And if you asking which bag, in my mind, it don't matter. But, for reference, it was a never full. So that already annoyed me, right? Because normal wear and tear, ma'am, you messed up them handles. And I'm not saying messed up in a bad way. Child, she was using her bag. Okay, it wasn't a new bag. She didn't just get it last month. Last year she had this bag for a while. Okay, so I'm already annoyed. So I'm like, oh, they're about to eat her up. Oh, they're about to eat her up. But people were joining in. They were like, oh yeah, I tried to send my bag in repairs and they charged me $400. They charged me $600. They charged me $700. They charged me $1,200 to replace the leather. Oh my God, we paid $2,000 for these bags and they have the audacity to charge me $600 for something I broke. That's what I heard. Okay, I say all that to say, sometimes people who buy luxury don't need to buy luxury. They don't. Because they think that the more money something costs, the less maintenance and upkeep that they have to do. Right? Which I don't know who thought that was the definition of luxury, but it wasn't Webster. It wasn't. Or anybody with a little common sense. Like, yes, we pay a lot of money for these bags. 1,000% we pay a lot of money for these bags. And with a high price tag, do I expect quality? Absolutely. Do I expect great customer service? Absolutely. Do I expect, now hear me out. Put your listening cap on and pull out your ears, okay? And don't get offended if it just don't apply to you. If it don't apply to you, then I'm not talking to you.
Shut when you think about it.
Let me see before I get. Let me tell you why I gotta put. Girl, not me about to make a rap song. Let me tell you why I gotta put that PSA out. Because every time I do a truck chronicle, okay, I have some people, and granted, not my friends, because my friends, they're friends with me for a reason, okay? But I do have randoms that find my video, which, you know, I'm very appreciative for. Thank you so much, algorithm. Not algorithm. Algorithm. Thank you so much. But I do have some, listen, I don't want to say trolls because they're entitled to their opinion. They are. But I do have some trolls that will come, and if they don't agree with me, they'll get all hostile. They'll be ready to tussle.
What was the reason? What was the reason?
Child. And what I don't understand is, at the end of the day, whether you agree or disagree with me, I'm talking about a handbag. I'm talking about some shoes. I'm talking about a wallet. Like, I'm talking about things that's not important. Why are you being hateful over a bag? Okay? And then I have the occasion where motherfuckers come, they don't agree with me. Did I just cuss? Probably. I hope YouTube don't pick that up. But they'll come in my comments and be the R word. You know, I can't, again, YouTube, I can't say, but you know the R word. The one where people hate people that don't look like them. Yeah, them people. Okay? They'll come say some R word stuff because you don't agree about what I'm saying about Louis Vuitton who don't know you. I promise you, Louis Vuitton, his cousins, his mama, okay, even his granddaddy, they don't know you. They don't know you. So you sacrificing your moral card being R-word to me over somebody who don't know you. He don't even give you a discount. Okay? So I say all that to say, when I give my opinion about a handbag, a policy, a luxury world, luxury community, and all that, listen, I am not talking about your mama. Calm down. It is my opinion, okay? And I'm an adult enough to realize my opinion is just that, my opinion, okay? I'm not saying this is fact. I'm not calling the encyclopedia and asking them to add my opinion to volume number 14, okay? I understand that I'm not doing a dissertation. This ain't going in no journal, peer-reviewed journal, okay? This is, again, talking about, okay, so, anyway, I say all that to say that some people don't need to buy luxury. They don't. Because they feel like when you spend a certain amount of money on something, again, if you spend $2,000 on a handbag, that means you never have to pay anything, upkeep, maintenance, cleaning for that handbag ever again. That when you buy Neverfull for $2,030, is it $2,030? I don't know. But if you spend $2,000 on a handbag, that means you can stank it up. You can put everything, your house, your cousin's house, a little bit of your mama's kitchen in that bag. Wear down that bag, wear down them straps, and you should be able to bring your stank Neverfull in Louis Vuitton and they fix it for free, okay? That means that you, 10 years from now, should able to take it into Louis Vuitton and say, hey, this bag 10 years old, I done beat the brakes off this bag. Can you replace the leather for me for free? And they should say, sure, because you brought this bag back in 1993. And sure, I would like to give you $1,600 of free leather because of that $2,000 you spent in 1979. I don't understand the logic in that. Who calling me? Child, hold on. Who that? I don't know who that is. I don't answer. If you ain't saved to my phone, child, I don't know you. Okay, anyway. And they calling back. Child! Okay. I don't understand that logic. I don't understand that logic because if you wear your bag... Now, again, if it's a fault or defect of Louis Vuitton, you're darn straight. They should replace it, fix it, or replace it with a new bag absolutely free of charge, okay? That is not what we're talking about. Stay on topic, okay? Don't be moving the goalpost. The line is always moving. The goalpost is locked and firm. We talking about wear and tear on your bag. We talking about the customer's fault, okay? The line shall not be moved. That is what we're talking about. Obviously, if the glazing is jacked up, if there's something wrong with the leather and you've only had it for a month, even a year, okay? Hell, I give you 3 years. They should come with a 3-year warranty. Fine. But we talk about people that either buy pre-loved or they've had their bag, especially with the Neverfulls. Child, I don't know the audacity that comes with buying a Neverfull and using it every day because did I get off topic? Probably. Y'all know I will rant when something irks my spirit. But my bottom line is, if you think that Louis Vuitton listen, again, this goes for all luxury brands. I am just... majority of my luxury purchases come from Louis Vuitton because I'm their biggest child. Am I that big? That's just my favorite luxury brand, okay? So when I reference Louis Vuitton, it's for all luxury brands, all right? But Louis Vuitton is who I have the most experience with. So again, it is not bad customer service, or it is not out of the realm of common sense to believe that if you want your leather replaced because you have used this bag, the leather has been worn because of normal wear and tear, it is very normal for you to have to pay for your bag to have all the leather replaced. You paying $2,000 5, 6, 7, 10 years ago and wanting some more free leather is crazy to me. When they say come with a lifetime warranty, that means if the bag defaults because of something Louis Vuitton did, like a stitch come unraveled, right? And it's not, again, because of wear and tear. If the glazing start peeling, that's not supposed to happen. You know what I'm saying? But like, you just wanting new leather because you done stanked yours all up. Ain't nobody about to give you $1,000, $500, $1,600 worth of free leather. That's not how that works. Okay, good people, that is it. That is my, I guess, opinion on Louis Vuitton repairs, or what should and should not be justified under their warranty. Listen, I know everybody not gonna agree with me, and that's fine. That is fine. You know what I say? As long as it's not disrespectful, we can be friends with difference of opinion, right? So let me know if it's something that I'm missing, if it's a caveat, if you like, girl, no, I should be able to buy this bag and 20 years later get some free leather. I don't know. Let me know. If you don't agree with me, let me know what I'm missing. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm open to you know, learning new perspectives or hearing new perspectives. With a problem ain't no problem. And then with the pouches that I just got, if you haven't seen that video, I had got the new key clay in the small and the medium, and I did a size comparison. And then I asked if you guys want to do a what fits, and everybody was like, girl, don't be asking dumb questions. You know we want to do a what fits. You right, my bad. I'm doing that. I'm gonna do that when I get home. I think I'm gonna do that when I get home. Child, I'm gonna do it. Listen, don't cuss me out. I'm gonna do it. I got a couple of errands to run, and then if I get home in time, girl, it's 10 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna do it today. I'm gonna do it today. So if y'all see me in the outfit, don't talk about me. All right, you already know what it is. All right. But of course, if you haven't already, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video from me. Okay, in another truck chronicle. And then keep up with me. Oh, hold on. Some of my friends have found me on Threads. They found me on Threads, and hey girl, hey friend. But just in case you wasn't aware, Threads is my venting space. I am not. It don't have nothing to do with these bags, child. It don't have nothing to do with these bags. And my opinions and thoughts and posts might be a little but I can't help it. That's me. So if you follow me on Threads and like, this girl haven't posted about a purse yet, that is why. That's not what that Threads account is for. But you can follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Everywhere is at Rakita's Closet. And I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye.